Welcome to day 25. We are going to move our bodies just so we feel a little bit lighter, a little bit stronger, and are a little bit more ready to take on the day. Just a nice little skip march to start. Modify as needed. It's Christmas Day here, a pretty special holiday. We're going to make it real short workout. You've shown up, just something to get you energized for the day ahead. Lots going on. But you're going to give yourself the gift of movement first. Maybe we crank it up a bit. My most favorite exercises today, the ones that make me the happiest. If you don't celebrate Christmas, you have different holidays. We all certainly have a birthday we celebrate. And those really special days, we're just so excited. Realized that real happiness that comes from within us, it's not external, it's internal. Just this little side stretch at the body. And especially as a child, when I think about waking up at Christmas or my birthday, it's what you brought to the day, how you showed up for that day that brings the happiness. Because we come with such anticipation, such excitement, wonder, awe of what's going to happen today. Well, what if we were to carry that into every day? Why couldn't every day be filled with what's going to happen today? What's the world? What's the universe? What's God going to throw at me today? How exciting. And take that kind of childlike wonder into every day and make every day like Christmas or your birthday or whatever holidays you celebrate or are important to you. Makes for a pretty exciting life. We treat every day as a holiday because really every day we're pretty lucky to get to wake up and have a new day. It's not guaranteed to us. Oh, let's just get our arms nice and loose. Just however you feel best, just roll arm circles. You do big ones, little ones. I kind of like these big ones when I come up with my tippy toes. Imagine I'm flying, childlike wonder. What would it be like to fly? I can think when I was a kid, Christmas morning was the greatest day in the world. And then as I got older, my 20s, Christmas became a chore and a burden. It was annoying. It's the same day, same holiday. What's changed here? Oh, just my attitude, my mindset. And then once I had children, gonna reverse the arms. Once I had children, all of a sudden, oh, I love Christmas again. This is the greatest time of the year. Nothing's changed, simply my mindset. Understanding that same thing with birthdays. You love them and then you get older and you hate them and hopefully come back to realizing, hey, I just got to spend an entire year alive again. How lucky am I? And see, birthdays is an amazing day. Whew. How's that feel? Let's warm up just a bit. Little side shuffle. Just the thinking and talking about it just makes me so happy today. But let's carry it into tomorrow also, and the next day. We get to choose. Ultimately, the only thing we have control over is our attitude. Nice twist here. Yeah, really stretch it out. This This is gonna be short and sweet. Just hopefully warms up the body. Again, just feeling lighter and stronger for the day. This workout defines the whole purpose of this challenge. Just to show up every morning, get a little bit of movement in to start your day, feel energized, boost the mood, and hopefully encourages some more movement throughout the day. Let's engage our core and just quickly twist. Oh yeah, lower back. If you like, you want to bring a little bit more strength in for the legs, just a bit of a squat. Bring all your tension right here. The gift of movement for yourself. These special holidays, we choose to focus on love and giving and family, joy. That's why they're so special. It is just another day, ultimately. We've decided that these days are special in our certain cultures. Some other place in the world it means nothing. So why not take that focus and choose love and giving and joy every single day? Just a nice reach. Extend your arm as much as you can. Really feel it. Priming our metabolism for the day. This will be a day of indulgence. Go for it. Indulge today. Feel great doing it. Enjoy every morsel of food that you indulge on and love it. Know that you've moved a little bit. You've done your part. Now you just get to enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. And we'll get back at it tomorrow. It's not what we do some of the times, what we do most of the time that matters. Certain days, just go for it and love it. Oh, I'm just going for a tiny, get the arms going. Just get that heart rate up just a bit as we wrap it up here. A little quicker. Just bring all your attention here. You got lots to do today, I know. But this is the most important moment of your day. As will each time the next moment arrives, that will be the next moment, but be here now. Shake it out a bit. Shake. Just loose. Bring all your tension into this moment. Readiness for the day. Just pay attention to your breath. Even on special days, sometimes they just don't go the way we want. No preferences. I ask for patience. Understanding that things don't always go perfectly. I have no anticipation that they will. Just accept things as they come and see the light, the joy in everything I can. Just be here now for one more moment. Well done. Let's make the choice today and every day to focus on love and giving and joy. Happy days. I will see you tomorrow. Have the best day. Goodbye.